disaster. My baby is built around me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for those who are always returning. We are not in my normal space. I am at my mom-in-law's house. We've been spending quite some time here very often, so you guys are definitely gonna see this background a lot. But first things first, I do want to say happy April 1st. I love going into a new month and just feeling like refresh, starting over. Yes, obviously every day is a new day to start over, as long as God is giving you breath. Okay, every day is a day to start over. But it is the middle of the week. It is Wednesday. It's April 1st, and I am definitely going to be taking this opportunity to reset my life and get myself together. First things first, I definitely want to get my health together. I am 11 months postpartum tomorrow, and I have not been physically where I want to be, and that's okay. I'm not going to be too hard on myself about that, because I am breastfeeding, and breastfeeding has caused me to be a lot more hungry, and it's caused me to gain a lot more weight prior to me having my daughter. It's just what comes with motherhood. Everyone has different effects, but for me, I personally gained weight breastfeeding. So I'm not going to be too hard on myself, but I will be stopping May 2nd, which is her birthday. I will be stopping when she turns 1. And so now I'm just basically trying to spend the rest of this month, you know, building up a supply and not stopping abruptly for her. Just making sure that I'm slowly weaning her off. So she has been, you know, eating more solid foods, and it's been going great in that aspect. But now it's really time for mommy to get herself back together and get my health together, not just weight wise, but just a wellness journey overall. I feel like the older you get, you realize how important it is to really have your health together. Mostly for me, certain things that I just can't do and just can't eat the way I used to when I was 20, 21, let alone 18, or let alone even 2 years ago. And especially after having my daughter, like me and just dairy, we don't really get along. Mostly like milk. Like I can deal with cheese, you know, but I don't overdo it. But ever since having her, everything gives me a reaction in my stomach. So I'm trying to do better and just, you know, health wise, and just staying active and just moving around, because I want to be that mom that's able to chase her daughter, who's able to play with her daughter or any, you know, future children that I may have. And I gotta keep that going. I want to still be mobile. I want to use my legs so I can't use them anymore, and use every part of my body until I can't use it anymore. So I don't want to make any excuses of, you know, why I am the way I am. Like I said, the breastfeeding part is definitely not an excuse, but as far as like my eating, I want to have more control over that. Though I can't control specifically the weight, the prolactin fat that's sticking to me, I can't control what I put in my body. I know I need to eat more protein. I know I need to have more fiber, and I know I need to move around more. So that's really my goal. That's really what I want to focus on permanently, but I'm definitely putting it on the forefront this month for sure. This morning I actually worked out already. My husband, he is a trainer, he's a martial arts instructor, so I have a little cheat code. But yeah, he definitely gave me my workout this morning, and I actually feel good. Like I feel like I could literally take on the world, and I love that. It was simple, but it was very effective. I was busting a sweat, so that was something that I needed. And now we're about to go take a walk. Well, we're gonna get some lunch because I am so hungry. I haven't ate anything yet, but we're gonna get some lunch, and he's actually gonna be working out. It's his turn to work out, so we're gonna be like, you know, alternating. That's what's on the goal today, to get some lunch. He's gonna work out. I'll just bring you guys along my day, and That's what we're gonna be doing. But this is your sign to start over, okay? I feel like I've restarted my weight loss journey over and over and over and over. But now this time is different because it is not a weight loss journey, it is a wellness journey. And this is something that is permanent. This is something that should be every single day. And I really I knew how important it was before, but I really know how important it is now as a parent. Like me being a daughter of parents. I mean, I have my dad is deceased now, but me being a daughter and realizing and wishing that my parents took, their health more serious, and whether it's smoking, whether it's drinking, and all of those things. We always say like, I'll die for my kids, but in reality, are you going to live for your children? So that's really what's on my brain, and obviously Jesus and him helping me get through this process. So yeah, I'm gonna be meal prepping more. That's something that's always been easy to me, but like I said, we've been like back and forth a lot from our home to in-laws, so it's pretty much a lot going on. And then I have a birthday to plan for my baby girl, so it's a lot that's going on this month. But most importantly, I'm gonna be sure to stay on track with my health. There's a little OOTD. So I have a regular plain navy blue shirt on, and I got this jacket from Burlington. Like, I love it so much, especially the sleeves. If you guys seen my Burlington haul, I got it from Burlington. It was only like, I think probably $15. I'm not sure, but it's giving Lululemon. It's giving what it needs to give. Like, you can still shop the look without spending so much money. My fanny pack is Reebok. I believe I got this from Burlington too. Yes, I did. And then I have some flare leggings on and my Sambas. So we are comfy today, and yeah, just freshly washed my hair in the shower, so I'm feeling good. It is 70 something degrees outside, but I gotta keep this jacket on because I do want to break a little bit of a sweat. So yeah, let's go, guys. So we are at the park. Like I said, my husband, he's about to go run. It's okay, baby. She's hungry. So for lunch, I got a grilled chicken panini. This is what it looks like. I also got these protein chips. I see them a lot on like TikTok, and again, like I said, I'm trying to eat more protein. So this one has 18 grams of protein. This is the nacho cheese. Then I got the sour cream one. I'm not gonna obviously eat both. I just wanted to try them out. I think right now I'm probably gonna have the sour cream one. And of course we have our water. This is really good. I thought they were gonna be thick, but it's what they look like. They're actually really good. I've been trying to be proportionate, so like I am a chip eater. Like, one thing about me, I love chips, so that's why I really wanted to get like, protein chips and not take everything away from me, because one, yes, I want to get more protein in, but when you take everything away from you, you will end up binging it when you finally are able to eat it. So I wanted to be able to have the protein chips, and obviously not eat it every day, but have it from time to time. And surprisingly, those are actually good. I don't know why I thought they were going to taste like baked chips. Let me get back to you guys once I finish eating. Okay, you guys, so we are back from the park, and we actually stopped to the supermarket because my husband wanted to get his lunch after he was finished working out, and I actually wanted to get some fruits, but changed my mind on that. The fruits and just the vegetables, they don't look as good as they need to be looking now, so we're definitely gonna save that and go to Whole Foods and get it, because I don't know, them fruits was just looking beat up. It just was not given. I was not about to get that for us or my baby, but I did pick up some Bloom Pop. I've been seeing Olipop and I've been seeing Bloom on TikTok, and I wanted to try it out because, like I said, I am on my wellness journey, but I mostly picked this one up, the Bloom Pop, because I find that it is caffeine free, and I am breastfeeding, so I cannot have caffeine because it will slow down and stop my supply. I got raspberry lemonade, strawberry cream, and the classic orange. So I am excited to try this. I'm not really a person who's into soda either, but like I said, I'm into trying new things. 20 calories a can. The sodium is 90, total fat 0, total sugars 4, and the protein is 0. So has a little bit of added sugars, but I'm gonna be trying this out. Actually gonna try this raspberry lemonade one right now. It smells really good. Ooh, ooh, this one is good. This is really good. Okay. I think that I can drink this because every time I'm like craving sugar or I want something, I think that this can be something that I'll go to. And I also like lemonade, but this raspberry lemonade combo is really good. You want my love, baby. You got me twisted over. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. So what you wanna do? So for dinner, we have some steak bites with yellow rice and some mixed vegetables. It's literally so good. Like, it is literally so hard to have discipline, but we're definitely building that this month, especially when something is so good and you just want to keep eating it and keep eating it. But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be working in proportion sizes. So I'm going to eat my dinner because it is coming close to my closing eating window. So after I eat this, baby girl is about to get a bath. My husband's going to give her a bath, and we're going to get her down for the night. So it is the next day, and today I'm actually going to go and get my nails and feet done because it is much needed. Like, my nails are literally so crusty, and my toes, we're not even gonna talk about that. I'm most likely gonna get something really simple and also keep my nails really short to do my hair and my daughter's hair, because last time I got them long and I literally had to cut them off. Like, I couldn't even do my own hair. I couldn't do my daughter's hair. So that's the goal for today, and we're definitely gonna grab some Spanish food after. I'm like craving that so bad. I'm currently intermittent fasting, and let me just say, it is definitely hard doing that while breastfeeding. So I'm using the 12 to 8 hour eating window, and it's actually really hard. So like I said, because I am breastfeeding, so last night I did get hungry after hours. I ended up eating for the first time late yesterday, which was like around 1:30ish. I had my last meal yesterday at 9. So today we're gonna try to be on schedule with eating, and again focusing on eating protein and fiber and carbs, but not too much. And we're gonna be doing like an active workout today. It's an active rest day. So yesterday I worked out. Today probably gonna do like some dancing and stuff. So first stop, we're gonna get our nails done and let's go. After the night, don't leave your girl around me. True player for real. That's my nigga for real. You baby. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and here's my nails. So cute. I absolutely love them. I decided to get purple, and I never actually got purple on my nails before, and it's spring. It's a pretty spring color, so I was like, why not? I also got the same thing on my toes, and I got a butterfly, but I got a different butterfly on each one. I am not that girl or that mom who knows how to function with the super long nails. It's just not for me. Kudos to the moms that could do it. My experience there was a good 10 out of 10. It's not my usual spot. Like I said, I am at my in-laws house, but it was really good. Like, as y'all see, the girl, she was just okay with me recording, and she was like, hey, all up in the camera. So I really love that. I love that we're getting into being in the era where it's normal to be recording and people are not like super defensive. Granted, yes, you always want to respect people's privacy, which is why I didn't put her in the video, but she just jumped in, so I was here for that. I ate my lunch that I told you guys we were gonna go and get some lunch after. My appointment ended up taking longer than usual, but my husband and my mother-in-law ended up going to the Spanish spot that's over there and got me a chicken sandwich, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, like, I didn't even get a chance to show y'all because it was just so good, and I was literally so hungry. What's up, baby girl? Mama. She crawling on mommy. Hi. Hi. My baby girl hit 11 months today, y'all. Like, I literally want to cry because I cannot believe I'm about to have a 1-year-old. Like, I feel like time has flown by so fast. Mind y'all, I'm with her every single day and I still feel like she's growing up before my eyes. And it's like, I'm literally having heart palpitations. Like, for the moms who know, y'all know. Like, everybody always said, trust me, it's gonna go by so fast. And she's literally only gonna be a year. And I literally felt like it was 2 business days. So, this is her last month of being a infant. She will officially be a toddler next month. And I'm actually super excited to plan her birthday. Right, mommy's girl? Oh, girl. Watch them hands, pretty girl. Y'all probably will see that in the next video. I have some things that I need to order on Amazon because I am literally going to be decorating our whole apartment catered to her. She loves Mickey Mouse, so stay tuned for that. Yay. Stay tuned for that. I'm doing pretty well today, y'all. I need to drink some more water though, but I'm doing pretty well today with my eating. The sandwich was the first thing that I had, and then for dinner I'm gonna make some baked chicken wings. What's up, baby? And just gonna eat some leftover rice and veggies. What's wrong, mama? I'm gonna get this one together because she's cranky. You need your diaper change? Dinner is done. Like I said, we had some leftover yellow rice with mixed vegetables, and I just made some baked wings. So I'm gonna be closing out this video now. It is about 8:30. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna just take my shower. Baby girl is down for bed. So I'm just gonna eat and just watch some Black Lightning with my husband because we have been binge watching that and just watching it over. Comment down below a good Netflix series to watch because I need some new things to watch. But with that being said, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also, comment down below what else you guys would like to see from me. Follow me on all my socials down below in the description. I will see you guys in my next video.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed.